everyone, I am here today to unbox my March Pop Mom Crate box. I reviewed one last month. It was actually, I believe, for January. And I had gotten a different box this month. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you what was in March's box. So again, this is Pup Crate. It's Pup Mom Crate. And basically what it is a box for dogs and their moms. So it's really, really cute. And of course, I love the inside of the box. The more I learn about people, the more I like my dog, which is really, really cute in itself. So what is in this box? To begin with, it tells you exactly what's in the March box. So you've got a little bottle toy, you got a piggy toy, that's awesome. Some socks. All you need is love and dogs. For mom, that's the socks are obviously for the mom. A mask for the mom. A little treat for the dogs. Body cream from the mom, and beef liver treats for the dog. And then also a birthday cookie, just in case it's the birthday. So if your dog's birthday is actually in March, then they would send you a birthday treat. I don't believe I got one in this box. I got one in the last one because it was Rue's birthday, but I don't have a birthday. Rue's birthday is in February, and then Rocky's birthday is in December. So we shouldn't be getting any of those right now. So the first thing is the little piggy. The little piggy, I think it's a squeaky toy. I'm not sure if it squeaks or not. It feels like there's something in it. But I think the dogs will like that. That's really cute. Here's the little treat. The little mug treat. Then we've got, I believe this is the body cream. Yes, this is the body cream, obviously for moms. Then we've got the little soda bottle treat, the little toy. We've got the mask, which is neat. We've got the beef liver treats, 100% pure. I like that. I don't like anything that's not completely pure for them. And then obviously socks for me. All you need is love and a dog. That's awesome. And then of course they always tell you in their box to share the love, to take a picture, to tag it, and then you can win monthly giveaways with them. So again, this was everything that I got in my March box. And if you like this box, you can actually buy it online. They still have March boxes available. They're sold out for April right now, but they do have March boxes available online at their store. And I believe they still have January and February as well for the past boxes. So you can sign up for a subscription, and you can also buy the past boxes as well if you missed one that you if you subscribe too late. So again, this is Pup Mom Crate, and check them out at pupmomcrate.com.